Unlocking the secrets of morning workshop. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the layers of meaning behind the phrase, morning workshop. This phrase may sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. So, grab your notepad, and let's dive into the world of English language nuances together. At its core, morning workshop refers to a gathering or session that takes place in the early hours of the day. The term morning pinpoints the time, while workshop indicates an interactive session where people engage in intensive discussion or activities around a particular subject or project. But let's break it down further. 1. Morning. This word signifies the start of the day. Activities in the morning are generally believed to kickstart the day with energy and focus. 2. Workshop. Unlike a formal meeting or lecture, a workshop is hands-on and participatory, often involving group work, problem-solving, and active learning. Why opt for a workshop in the morning? Well, morning workshops are more than just meetings. They are 1. Productive. Many believe that our minds are most alert in the morning, making it an ideal time for creative and strategic thinking. 2. Engaging. Workshops encourage participation and interaction, and a fresh morning start can boost engagement and enthusiasm among participants. 3. Strategic. Holding a workshop in the morning can set the tone for the rest of the day, allowing ideas generated to be developed or implemented as the day progresses. Morning workshops can be found in various contexts. 1. Educational settings. Schools and colleges may organize morning workshops for skill development or collaborative learning. 2. Corporate world. Companies might hold morning workshops for team building, brainstorming, or strategic planning. 3. Personal development. Workshops focusing on yoga, meditation, or fitness often take place in the morning, aligning with health and wellness goals. In conclusion, the phrase, morning workshop, embodies the essence of productivity, engagement, and strategic planning. It's not just about the time of the day. It's about creating an environment conducive to learning, collaboration, and growth. We hope this exploration sheds light on how impactful and meaningful a morning workshop can be. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next video.